beautiful people, how you all doing? This is Deepika Chakravarti and welcome to my channel. तो आज का वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा exciting है मेरे लिए because today is yet another book haul. I love buying books and I love reading them as well. Whenever I come across a book that I feel drawn towards and I get them, that is the best feeling on this face of this earth. So I actually kind of enjoy it. And also I've seen कि you guys are guilty of the same pleasure. क्योंकि मैंने जब भी कोई भी बुक हॉल अपने चैनल में डाले हैं आई हैव सीन इट इज द मोस्ट लव वीडियो ऑफ ऑल सो आई एम pretty sure that you guys gonna like this one too. So yeah, let's just begin with this video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Deepika Chakravarti. I make book reviews, lifestyle, travel videos, and if you are one who are interested in watching these kind of videos, kindly consider subscribing to my channel because it's absolutely free. With that, let's just dive into the video. So yeah, this is a book haul and बहुत ज़्यादा books नहीं है मेरे पास, but the backstory is what makes this video interesting for me and hopefully for you as well. So recently दिल्ली में एक book fair था जो कि February 1 to February 9 चल रहा था and that book fair is one of the biggest book fair जो कि हर साल दिल्ली में होता है. मैं दिल्ली में हूँ काफी साल से on and off but I've never had the opportunity to visit any of those book fair and मेरे को हमेशा से ये हुआ करता था कि I want to visit one of those because let's face it, books anyways makes me excited and उसके ऊपर से अब पूरा एक event for book and everything, so that was obviously a cherry on the top. So this time I had the opportunity to go and visit this event and ये जो book fair था ये 1 to 9 चल रहा था but me being me सबसे लास्ट में पहुंची हूँ मैं 9th को मैं गई थी and this was actually very big. The event was very big and ये सिर्फ एक बुक फेयर नहीं था, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स भी हो रहे थे साथ के साथ एंड ऑल्सो बहुत सारे ऑथर्स भी आए हुए थे. दे वर ऑथर कॉर्नर एंड मेनी सेलिब्रिटीज ऑल्सो विजिटेड दिस इवेंट. ऑल्दो जिस दिन मैं गई, जिस टाइम पे मैं गई, देयर वाज नो सच थिंग गोइंग अराउंड बिकॉज लेट्स फेस इट वो लास्ट डे लास्ट few hours of the event was going on but overall I really liked the aura there. I liked the event, I liked the enthusiasm and to my surprise, normally what we say कि इंडिया में बुक कल्चर इतना ज़्यादा नहीं चल रहा. रिसेंटली आई वॉज वॉचिंग दिस एपिसोड ऑन शार्क टैंक एंड वहाँ पे इट वॉज द सेम थिंग वॉज गोइंग ऑन. वहाँ पे कोई एक I don't know which company had come. They are into selling books and एक package बना के देते हैं, something like that. Was a good idea, but yeah, what actually they had to face was कि the concern. Many of the sharks they were like कि yes, books पढ़ना चाहिए, but unfortunately people are not reading books as much as they should. So this is a dying quality in people. But I was so amazed to see people of all ages, people, so many people from so many places in India. They were visiting this event and trust me, it was such a big मतलब वो पूरा रास्ता जाम हो गया था एंड पूरे के सारे halls, there were 6 halls and 6 hall, all of them were मतलब packed with people and this made me so hopeful, so happy to see so many people are into books and so many people are buying and different genres of book or so matlab I was so excited to see all those things na. I really enjoyed it and hopefully next year जब मैं जाऊंगी I'll be more vigilant and मैं जल्दी जाऊंगी और more frequently जाऊंगी. I think 1 to 9 में मेरे को I had the opportunity to visit at least मैं 1 घंटा डेली वहाँ जा सकती हूँ. I could have seen all the halls and I could have seen all the stalls and read the preview and then buy those books. I could have bought a lot of books but alas I didn't do that. But I don't regret it anyhow because at least जो last day में गई I enjoyed it thoroughly and of course I got my share of books. So I got 3 books. I didn't buy much because जैसे कि मैंने कहा मैं बहुत लेट गई थी तो मैं सिर्फ I just wanted टू विजिट दैट सेक्शन ओनली, जो कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट ऑफ परचेज था। लास्ट जो मैंने अपना हॉल बनाया था, दैट लॉक द बॉक्स, जो मेरा इवेंट मैंने जो अटेंड किया था, उसमें आई हैड दिस प्रॉब्लम, आई हैड दिस कंप्लेंट कि मुझे वहाँ पे इंडियन ऑथर्स के बुक्स नहीं मिले। सो आई दिस टाइम आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू बाय सम इंडियन ऑथर के बुक्स, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एक्चुअली विजिटेड ओनली दैट सेक्शन जहाँ पे इंडियन ऑथर्स के बुक्स थे, इंग्लिश बुक्स थे। तो मेरे को मतलब दैट एरिया वाज अ डिवाइन एंड इतने सारे बुक्स थे ना, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ये भी खरीदना, ये भी खरीदना, ये भी खरीदना, बट आई हेड ऑन टू माय हॉर्सेस एंड आई जस्ट परचेज दिस बिकॉज अदरवाइज आई स्टिल हैव लॉट ऑफ बुक्स which are yet to be read, तो इसीलिए I just purchased three, but I'm gonna talk about these, and like I mentioned, all the three books are from Indian authors. So yeah, these are the three books that I purchased, and I'm very, very, very happy with them. So first book is Kama's Last Sutra. This is written by Trisha Das, and ये जो मैंने तीनों बुक्स खरीदे थे, इनमें से तो दो जो बुक्स है वो तो बाय बंगाली ऑथर्स है, एंड आई एम अ बंगाली, तो इट काइंड ऑफ आई थिंक आई वाज बाइज्ड इन दैट वे, एंड also जो तीनों के तीनों बुक्स है, they are written by female authors, so even I was biased in that way also. So yeah, I'm guilty of doing that. तो जो फर्स्ट बुक है कामाज लास्ट सूत्रा, दिस वाज द फर्स्ट बुक दैट आई गॉट माय हैंड्स ऑन, एंड ये मैंने पढ़ना भी शुरू कर दिया है, अभी बहुत कम पढ़ा है, बट या द क्रस्ट ऑफ दिस बुक इज आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट, बिकॉज आई ओनली थ्री बुक्स, सो आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट ईच ऑफ दिस बुक थोड़ा थोड़ा, जितना भी मैंने इसका रिव्यू पढ़ा। So this book is about Tara, who is a young female, and she's an archaeologist. ये खजुराहो के मंदिर में she is working around that area, and like we know that खजुराहो के temple में there's temple which have very descriptive portraits, or what you call that, engraves of sex positions and everything. So this girl is actually working around that area, so she has a crush on her boss, and now what happens is that while she's excavating things, she finds something that's a sword, and a sword ka tip hai, and then what happens that she goes to some tantric person, and somehow that person, she uh, sends her back to medieval India, and वहाँ पे she comes around the king who actually made those temples जिसमें बहुत सारे sexual sculptures है, and the thing is कि while she was excavating, or while she was working on those temples, now she used to think. Now normally Khajuraho के जो temples है, those are temples now, so when you think about temples and these portraits or these sculptures, you would think that किसी temple में ये सब images क्या कर रही हैं, but obviously archaeologists have their own reasons to give about it. What she used to think, Tara, that she used to think about the Raja कि अच्छा ये राजा वो किस तरीके के रंगीन इंसान होंगे. So when she was sent to that medieval India, she meets that Raja, and she kind of her vision came into reality, and she actually saw that Raja only much more sexier. She is now trying to come back to her present era. How she does that, this book deals with that. So this is a fiction, of course. I'm a fiction queen, so I'm gonna buy that only. So yeah, this is what Kama's Last Sutra has. Then next book is the Book of Everlasting Things. So this is based on partition. Storyline hai, there are two people, a boy and a girl, they are in love with each other. This is before partition, and once the partition happened, one of them is a Hindu and one of them is a Muslim, so they obviously goes to different nations, separate nations. The Bandi goes to Pakistan and the male comes to India because he's a Hindu, and now how do they hold on to their memories? This whole book is about that. So yeah, this is, I think, gonna be very interesting. Also, the topic around partitions and the stories around partition, I just like those kind of stories because I feel that, obviously as an individual, or I as a person, to read those things, I can never feel what they felt, but it's good to just know what kind of feelings or what kind of hardship these people might have gone through while they were actually facing those situations. It kind of intrigues me. So yeah, that's why I got this book. Then the third book is by Chitra Banerjee Devakaruni, Independence. Now, it's not a secret that I love work of Chitra Banerjee Devakaruni. I have read two of her novels. One is The Forest of Enchantment and the Palace of Illusion, and I've loved both of them, and I've also reviewed them in my channel. I'm gonna link it somewhere here, and so yeah, if you want to go and check that, please do. And so this book by Chitra Banerjee Devakaruni, it's about three sisters. They are living in the time during the time of partition again. All the three sisters, they take their own courses, they make their own choices, how they go through all the changes that is happening in India, in the country, and also trying to thrive as they do so. And also how their life changes and how their decision brings on the consequences and how they face them and how they learn what is the true meaning of independence actually is what the book deals with. So of course I'm gonna read it and review it. So yeah, I'm excited to read this one also because I'm a big fan of Chitra, as I said. So yeah, these are the three books that I got, and of course I got two bookmarks. So yeah, these are the two bookmarks. So yeah, these are the three books that I've got, and I'm looking forward to read this. This one I have started reading already, and I'm kind of liking it. So yeah, let's just see how does it turns out for me. Okay, with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also give your thought, give your comment on these books, and also do let me know if you visited this fest this year and इनमें से कोई भी books आपने पढ़ी है do let me know about that also. What did you think about those books? That view is also welcomed. And also अगर आप गए थे इस बार के book fest पे book festival पे, do let me know how many books did you guys buy. I'm actually looking forward to read your comments. So yeah, with that, I come to an end of this video. If you do like the video that I make, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And before ending the video, I started a new venture called Amateur Pen. I'll be linking the website in the description section. Do check it, and do consider buying anything if you like. And अगर आप नहीं भी buy करते हो, come back and do let me know how did you like the website, and क्या आप उसके लिए मुझे कुछ ideas देना चाहते हैं. That is also welcome. So yeah, with that, let's just wrap up the video. See you again in the next video, maybe with a book review or maybe with something else. I don't know. But yeah, I'm looking forward to see you again. And yeah, until we meet next, you all take care of yourself and keep loving others. Bye bye.